Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to design a beautiful presentation in Canva. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Canva web application, which of course we've done right here. So the next thing is to get in on today's text, which is pretty simple. So if you want to design a beautiful presentation in Canva, there are two ways to go about that. First, you can go ahead and click on this create a design button at the top right corner of your screen to start creating your presentation from scratch, or just head over to use the search bar, which is also at the top corner of your screen, to locate templates or to search for templates that you can easily work with. So right here in the search bar, all I just need to do is to type presentation. So let's say business presentations. So here I have a wide array of templates that I can definitely explore. So all I just have to do is to look for the one that is free, because you see that some of the designs have this pro thing labeled. It means you have to upgrade your plan for you to access this. But there are others that do not have that pro thing. So they're just really beautiful. So which one does not have the pro thing and is still nice? So I think this is also fine. 1 of 15. Let's click on that. So I'm just going to click on customize this template. And here it takes me to the Canva editor, where I can now, tweak these slides or tweak each of the slides to suit the exact thing that I want. So here are all 15 pages. So there are 15 pages, right? Well, the 15 pages are not here yet. That's why you have this at the left corner that says apply all 15 pages. So I'm just going to click on apply all 15 pages so that I can just work with them. All right, so you see all of them have been added. See, 15 pages. So here is Borsell. So if you want to change it, let's say our business name is Amy Designs. So I just have to double click and say Amy Designs. So that font's looking so big. So just click right here to change the font size. So that's Amy Designs. I want it to be, yeah, something like this. So just right here, I'm holding my mouse and I'm holding the left corner of my mouse as well. So here, business project. Okay, let's just change this to projects. Double click, of course, project brief. So click on any element and double click if you want to change. So this is www dots. This will be amydesigns.com. So amydesigns.com. Okay, so that's not a building project, so I can just change this picture. So let's just click on elements right at this left corner, and designs, see what comes up. Pro. Okay, so let me see what comes out with design icons. Oh, cool. What's graphics? So I'm clicking on graphics to see what I can use. All of this, they're just saying that they've been used. So I just go back and take it to frames. Okay, audio shapes, photos. So photos are taken, so but this is not taken and it's pretty cool. So all these actually speaks more of what I'm doing. So I just drag and drop and the picture changes. So that actually suits me, like Amy Designs, to see that I'm designing stuff there. So that has changed, okay? So I can now head over to click on this second part. Now here says content. If you want to edit this, just double click and edit. This says about us. This says, all right, and this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 kind of thingy. I can make it Roman figures. All right, so I can just click on that because I just want to be, this is undo. So undo takes it back to where it was. All right, so I'm just undoing this thing. Oh my word. All right. So here, I'm just gonna right click and I make a Roman figure. So I makes it a little touche. So I, and this has IV and V, VI, VII, VII. All right, so I'm not just going to spend too much time on this, all right? But then I'm just showing you that all of this can be changed too. All right, so just double click and change. If you need more options, just click on any elements. All right, click on any elements and click on the three dots menu for more. All right, or just go ahead and click on it and do whatever you want. You can expound this or just reduce it, just take it back. All right, so undo, remember undo, and if you want to take it back to redo, that's it. So go over to the third page and you can change this. You can also, remember, you can also change this picture and drop something else. See another picture. As you can see, that's really looking beautiful. If you want to change the colors of any elements, click on the elements and click on the color. It's going to just be the color palette. Then you can have something unique and more beautiful. Oh no. So you can just go ahead and keep on doing that until you head over to the last slide. Just change, edit, and once you're done, head over to this, click on this share button right here and click on download and change to this PDF standard. Fine, awesome. So I can just go ahead and click on this download button and you see that it will be downloaded. You see, it's important. It's downloading my design. And once you open that up, you're going to see the presentation. So I didn't do a lot of tweaking. All right, so this is downloading, it's complete now. So I'm opening that up so that you can see what that looks like, your presentation. So this was just the first thing that I changed. All right, you can go all the way to, head over to the next presentation slide and scroll the way down. You're going to see all of your slides available. So that's pretty much the process. Like I said, just go over here and edit, use only, manipulate each design, manipulate the design, just do whatever you want until you've gotten what exactly you want. So this is it. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.